another episode where we help you socially distance from fake, false, and misleading information. At the top is this newspaper report, in fact, where it was claimed that central government employees will have extended duty hours. They will be working from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. shifts. Now, this is completely fake. The government has said so itself that no such proposal is under consideration and no such order has been given. However, many employees' organizations have been asking the state and central governments to extend duty hours, especially for factory workers and industries that employ migrant laborers, because once the lockdown is lifted, it's unclear whether these migrant laborers will return immediately. So in order to make up for that, for the absence of labor, the labor shortage, and also to implement social distancing norms, employees' organizations have been seeking extended duty hours, but no decision on that has been taken yet. Apart from this, there was a big scam running which called itself the Rashtriya Shikshit Berojgar Yojana, which was masquerading as a government site. It was saying that it was claiming to be a scheme for the educated but unemployed people who have been unemployed due to the lockdown. This is completely fake. The website has been removed. Its Facebook page has been taken down. This site and sites that are similar to this, if you ever come across them, these are nothing but scams to dupe you out of your money and dupe you out of your private information. So do not click on such links and do not believe such links without verifying the information first. Another false claim doing the rounds on social media is an apparent government scheme that will give rupees 50,000 to every ration card holder. This is completely fake and completely false news. The scheme says that it will benefit affected people like senior citizens and widows and farmers and daily wage laborers, the unemployed. However, this scheme does not exist, and although it says that it is only available for the first 40,000 applicants, this is only a way to get people to sign up and part with a fee that perhaps this website charges. But remember, this is a completely fake portal. No such scheme is available. And now another piece of fake news has gone viral in the name of Ratan Tata. This time again, he's taken to Twitter to bust this piece of fake news that is going around with his photo, and the news claims that Ratan Tata has said that 2020 is a year to stay alive and not a year to make profits. Ratan Tata said that this is not a claim made by him, and he urged people to verify news before believing them. He said that anything that goes by his name with his image does not mean that the claim was actually made by him. It will only, whatever he says will only be sent through official channels. Remember, even earlier in April, a WhatsApp forward was circulating largely that said that that was attributed to Ratan Tata, and it claimed that India would be able to bounce back. Its economy would not be touched by the coronavirus crisis that too Ratan Tata had earlier dismissed. That's all on this episode of Busting Fake News. Let us know if you want us to probe into any information that you have come across.